Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, again, I'm unboxing my prize from Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam International Foundation, Rameshwaram. This prize I got for drawing and painting competition, as I have taken part in the competition which was held on the birth anniversary of A.P.J. Abdul Kalam. So, let's unbox it and see what's inside it. So here is the certificate of merit or grade certificate on which my name is written Amritan Chestnut. Here comes my medal, bronze medal. You can see it is packed inside a disposal polythene. So let's open it. You can see it's a medal, bronze medal, on which Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam has been drawn. Nothing is there now more. And a medal and a certificate I have got as a prize for winning in drawing and painting competition. So at last I would thank to Dr. A.P.J. Abdul Kalam International Foundation for giving me such a wonderful opportunity. I will be always interested for participating in such competition held by this institution. So guys, meet in the next vlog. Till then, bye bye.